Porsha Marie here. About to do a little vlog. Go get an oil change, I guess. I'm with hubby. So let's get straight into it. So we're about to go get an oil change and we'll be back. Go see how long the wait is, babe. So yeah, we might be going to the mall as well. So I'll be back. Yes, I can.
You don't got a little phone?
It's at home. I forgot it. You want to get in the camera?
Prepared. Hello, everybody. See what I gotta do with it?
What you gotta do with it? Me. Okay. Y'all, we still at the dealership. No, we're not. Okay, y'all, we still getting our oil change. We waiting on these people. Still editing. They loud. But yeah, we'll be back. Okay, y'all, the oil is changed. Hubby's about to take us to the mall. Right?
Sure.
We gotta get gas. We gotta get gas, y'all.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I'm not gonna get no racetrack gas.
That's where we're about to go. What are we going to the mall for? John, don't do that. Don't be stank.
I don't know.
Then we don't need to go then. This foundation, though. This foundation looks good, y'all. I might have to end up getting it. Sorry if the camera's moving a lot. I don't vlog like that.
Brake fluid is low. Need to be flushed.
Everything is a problem when you go to the mechanic.
Yeah.
They find all the problems.
It's like a 980.
Alright, y'all. We'll be back. about to go to Perimeter Mall. Hubby need to get with the program. We'll be back. Okay, y'all, we in Dillard's.
Where is it?
Look how tall you are, Jimmy. Okay, y'all, we in Dillard's.
Short stack.
Okay,
Geiger.
it's this one.
Which one?
This one.
I'm not saying go on there. What the price?
Inside the bag, it's $275. It's $275 for $285.
What do you do?
It's a bag. I don't have it. They might not have it because I don't see it. They don't have it. Yeah, but they don't have it. Look at this says Brady Baby. That's cool. You remember Gwinnett Place? Okay, this one in here.
I still remember.
Huh?
This is a different kind.
Yeah, this is only for the adults. Hello. It's 40% off.
Are you not looking for anything in particular today?
No, we're just looking.
The store's running a 40% off promo today, okay?
Okay.
I got a lot of special stuff. You can hear your every movement.
Okay. Let's get it. They don't have this. Do they have the highlighter? Okay, y'all, we back from the mall and got something from SEPHORA. I I got the Rare Beauty highlighter in Flaunt. They was hiding it, y'all. They was hiding it, but I grabbed it.
It wasn't hiding, that was they stash.
They was hiding it for their own personal use, but I found it and we got it. So look out for a review coming soon with this highlighter. Now we gotta run a couple more errands, so we'll see y'all in a little bit.
She's doing, she unplugged the alarm and everything.
Okay, y'all, we back. We just got back from Best Buy. We was looking for a Christmas gift for our daughter and we found it. So yes, that's a go. I'm done shopping I'm done shopping for Christmas. Done. Okay?
Been done.
So we're just gonna get that shipped to the house. We found it at Best Buy. Great deal. She's 10 years old. She should love it. Just in case she watched my video. But she be, you know these kids. They be watching everything. But yeah, we're about to go get some food. Then we gotta go pick up the girls and then go home. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. If not, thank you for watching the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hit that notification bell.
Yes, hit that notification bell.
I'll be always here.